Welcome back to another episode of Geospatial Fun Fact.
Let's dive into another exciting story behind the Google Earth Engine, GE, development under the Google organization.
Let's find out who founded it. Why was it created? And what is the global impact of GE today? Dr. Rebecca, an American computer scientist, grew up in New York. She obtained an undergraduate bachelor's degree in artificial intelligence in 1977, then worked as a software engineer for companies such as Hewlett-Packard and General Instrument. In 2002, after her father died, she pursued a master's degree in cognitive psychology from Stanford University and continued to complete a PhD in computer science. She lived in Los Gatos, California, in the foothills of the Santa Cruz Mountains, where she founded a civic association called Mountain Resource Group. The association works on digital maps of the area where it helps the community with emergency, civil agencies, and daily mapping navigation for the neighborhood. Her key personal contribution was using Google Earth to stop logging activities over 1,000 acres of redwoods in her Santa Cruz Mountains community. Meet Dr. Rebecca Moore, the woman who was strategic in establishing Google Earth Engine. She is a computer scientist and environmental advocate. She led the development of GE at Google and envisioned a powerful cloud-based platform to help researchers, scientists, and policymakers analyze large-scale ecological changes. Dr. Moore was an active user of Keyhole's Google Earth software. In 2005, she was invited by the company to give a tech talk on using the product, where she provided a list of possible suggestions to improve the tool. She was offered a job on the Google Earth project. She worked on what was known as Google Earth Outreach, in which she advocated the use of Google Earth software and its usage to a wide environmental community. This was fully supported by the co-founder of Keyhole Incorporated. The outreach program was continuously supported with funds by Google. The birth of Google Earth Engine GE started after Dr. Moore visited Brazil trip to the Surué tribe in 2008. She was approached by Carlos Souza Jr., a geoscientist from Amazon who asked for a way to analyze satellite data to observe and prevent illegal logging in the Amazon rainforest. Dr. Moore returned to establish a team to start building the Google Earth Engine, which was launched publicly in 2010 and is now used globally by scientists and GIS professionals. Google Earth Engine was a planetary-scale platform for environmental data analysis. It provides access to a vast archive of satellite imagery and geospatial datasets, enabling users to process and analyze massive amounts of data in real time, and had access to decades of satellite imagery, cloud-based data processing, and advanced geospatial analysis tools. Did you know that Google Earth Engine was used to help map the Amazon rainforest and identify illegal mining operations? It has empowered indigenous communities and environmental groups to take action against deforestation. GE has played a crucial role in tackling global challenges, such as deforestation monitoring. Organizations like Global Forest Watch use GE to track illegal logging and habitat destruction. Disaster response. Governments and NGOs leverage GE to assess damage from wildfires, floods, and hurricanes in real time. Climate change analysis. Researchers use GE to study rising temperatures, melting glaciers, and shifting weather patterns. Biodiversity protection. Conservationists apply GE data to safeguard endangered species and manage protected areas. Dr. Rebecca Moore's vision for Google Earth Engine has revolutionized the way we observe and protect our planet. With its powerful tools and open access to critical geospatial data, GE continues to drive scientific discoveries and policy decisions worldwide. What do you think about the Google Earth Engine? Have you ever used it? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing geospatial fun fact videos.